Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice.
Well, he was safe to me. He was a nice little loving youth. Some people may not understand him and think my friends calm us down. And unfortunately, well, that's a sad situation, and that's the reality about life when you cannot sometimes in life. You know, it's not you that feel, but you have other people around you too. When you do things, you have to take into consideration that when you hurt, looking to hurt others, you hurting other people. It's not one person alone that getting hurt. And it's a sad thing that look now, a mother lose too, because one going up in Borderly, a nice little boy, his other brother is the calmest one, always looking to tell somebody behave yourself and watch what happen.
I want to say condolence to the family, both brother, the deceased, and the one who did the act. It is very sad. But I also want to take this time to speak about mental health in our community. I feel like mental health in our community needs to be addressed because it is always a taboo subject. For those of you who have known me, my mother was a schizophrenic, and she had schizophrenia, and you know, I think the disappointing thing about my case is that everything was covered up, and I didn't realize my mother was a schizophrenic until she was pretty much in her 70s, 80s, and you know, it was sort of like told to me by a member of the family, and I'm like, this all makes sense the way my mother was, you know what I'm saying? So the point I'm trying to make is, if she was open, then we as kids and family members, we would know how to deal with the situation. So you know, just imagine growing up with a schizophrenic mother and you don't know. So I'm saying that's the kind of thing I went through. So when it comes to mental health, that is very, very important to me. And I think this situation right here, that is what is jumping out to me. I am not no doctor. I am not giving any form of diagnosis. I'm just giving my personal opinion and, you know, my personal factual experience. So, yeah, it really sad.
Then he dropped the colors there, and he go down the road. When I went back down the road, he was in the shop. He was in my hand. Tell me, boy, I go die cock like. Tell me how you're done yet. He showed me the hole, a small hole. So I say, how are you done yet, my boss? You saved the ambulance come in, the ambulance anyway. So I say, until the ambulance come, I go do my business. So when the ambulance go with him, yeah, sorry.
Butcher believes the tragedy could have been prevented if others in the community had also intervened.
Well, you could always help. I help in better than nothing, you know. But there are some people that, like, I know to some people because some people, they was there, they know the situation, and they come and help. They say like you know, maybe kill one another, and I like that. That's the kind of thing I do like in the place, and that didn't have to happen in the place, guys. Because that elders there, that elders in the place, and everybody feel like you know, Like that, like them grudge thing, I ain't them grudge thing, miss. This is something happening in the area, help somebody, real boy.
Another.
This family have a lot of different tragedy. Now, this little brother dead, but also they have another brother who also has been killed. If y'all follow this channel, you remember I talk about Iron Pum Pum. She have a son who did a hit and run to England. Remember I talk about that. Now, the person that got hit and killed is this young man's brother. So now the mother, she lose 2 kids, or 2 sons. One, the Iron Pum Pum son, where do they hit and run, and then one at the hands of the brother. Really, really sad, and I can't take the time to reintegrate mental illness. And I know it's a taboo subject, but I feel strongly that these things mental health needs to be forefront in the community, and maybe certain things can be avoided. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.